One eternity later.
Tell me where the burger is. Oh, I'm gonna stab you! Okay. It's in the other room. What? Wayne and Robert just died! And Sean! That's what Mission Inhotable does? Whoa. Oh no, not this again! Wait, there's another tape recorder. Okay, let's see what's it.
Ms. The Lop. I have a mission for you if you choose to accept. You have to delay an aircraft's landing so we can get ready for the battle. Unlike the old mission, you have a 2-person crew, not a 3-person crew. If any of your crew get killed or caught, we will not be accountable. It's called Mission Inhotable.
Well, I know what it's called. I guess we have to go to Mission Inhotable Corp. Okay, we're finally here. Finally. And there's a lot of people walking around. I don't know where to go. Okay, maybe over here. Hello, Hotadala. Hello. Where's my crew? Well, your crew is Robert and Wayne. They're right over here. Robert, Wayne. Nice to see you, Budster. Yeah. Well, let's get to it. Yeah, let's get to it. Okay, where again? An aircraft. Sector B. Okay, let's go. Okay, can you please take us there? Yes. Whoa, this is fancy. Yeah. Put your suits on. Here's your boarding pass. Okay. Okay, what the heck? I know, right? What did you say? I said kill the captain. No, we just need to delay it. Well, we need to make friends first. So let's go find a friend. Oh, and all party's on. Let's go. Hello, everybody. Hey. Oh, who are you? Well, I am Sylvester. Sylvester. Pretty good. Okay, thank you. Hey, Sylvester. What do you like to do? Well, I usually like to fight. Yeah. Do you guys have any scuba diving? Yes, I do. Here's the key. You can get to my apartment. You can get it. Okay. Whoa. Okay, let's go down there and let's get the gas out. Completely out. Okay, get the gas out. Okay, go back up. Okay, change, act normal, and go. Okay, just had to do a quick shower. Okay. Wait, I need to go do something. Okay, whenever you're ready. Yeah. Hey, where's your boarding pass? Let me see. Yeah. Okay. Hey, Captain! Hey, put your hands up! Get into the part where I took out the gas! Can you guys come pick me up, please? Okay, we will. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you for picking me up. Where's Robert? He's in here. Where's Wayne? He's dead. What? No! Sorry. I will avenge him. Okay, thank you. Oh, what the block? Hey, I did my mission. So what do I do now? Well, we're not gonna be needing you for another 6 months. Okay. Well, give me a call if you ever need me. Okay. Well, yeah. Well, so what's the next one gonna be about? Well, we don't really know. We haven't got any missions yet. Oh, okay. So, yeah. Just keep an eye out for us. Okay, yeah, we'll do. Yeah, definitely. Okay.